Step 1. Go to the left side of the screen and then scroll down and look for something which says apps. After selecting it, go to the search bar at the top, then type in Text Art Maker, hit enter. Now in the list of options here, you're going to look for one which has an A. So it says here Text Art Maker, select it, go to the bottom and select Open. So this application basically is going to allow you to add in your own specific or your own customized images within the text. So you're going to enter in a graphic or a picture of your own. So I'm going to go back to Elements at the top. So go to the left side, scroll up, then look for Elements. So under Recently Used, I'm going to use this one where there's some Bitcoin and some other cryptocurrencies. Simply drag it into the canvas. Afterwards, go to the left side, scroll down, and then look for Text Art Maker once more. So under the heading where it says text, you can enter in a text of your own choosing. So I'm going to type in this, for example. Now under text, there's going to be density. Now, where density is located, it's going to allow you to change the size and thickness of the images used to create the letters. So if you drag it to the left side, you'll notice that there's going to be less black materials here used to create the letters. But please keep in mind that this image is going to be used to replace the black parts. So if you want to increase the density, it's going to become thicker and fuller. But if you reduce it, it's going to start losing some pieces. Now, where it says particle size, it's going to allow you to change the size of the different particles. So if you choose max size and you drag it to the right, what you'll notice is that it becomes thicker. The particles will become thicker. And if you drag it to the left, the particles become smaller and thinner. So you see there it leaves these wide open spaces. And if you can also do the same thing to the min size, if you drag it to the right, the particles become bigger. Left side, the particles become smaller. Then there's like white spaces open. Now where it says random angles, this is the place where it's going to lock the particles in place. So if you toggle this off, then the particles are going to constantly keep changing. But if you leave this on, the particles will stay in place. So here under image, you can also upload an image of your own choosing, but you can also use a graphic. So I put one here from Elements, and then you are going to select Use Selected Image. And as you can see here, our text has been created with the specific image. Then you can also change the density if you want, and you can also change the particle size from max size to min size. So min size, it's going to increase the size of the images within the text. Then the max size, if we drag it, it'll do the same thing. Once you're happy with your design, you're going to select the image within the canvas, then delete it, then go to the bottom here and then select Add to Design. And you can simply drag it and increase the size to your liking. There you go.